How to fix Windows activation error. So hello guys, if you're also facing such Windows activation error as I'm showing you on my screen, then first thing what you need to do is you just have to click on troubleshoot settings right below this error. In my case, my Windows is already activated, but in your case, if it's showing such error, there should be any option regarding troubleshoot, so you can simply head over to this from by searching over here as well. So once you find and locate the Windows activation error troubleshooter, simply tap on this and try to fix it manually. So if that doesn't work, the second thing what you can do is try changing product key. So for that, what you need to do is just click on this activation settings from the search menu by typing simply activation, and you should be heading over to this page where you can actually change the product key just like this from over here. So once you try that, and if it's still not working, you can also try using these such activation commands by simply heading over to your CMD and running it as an administrator. Once you run it as an administrator, basically you just have to type in the following keywords, that is like this, and you have to type in both of these product commands or activation commands one by one over here, and simply make sure to restart your computer after you apply the changes, and your issue should be successfully fixed just like that. So that's it for today guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you